if you are coming to me, don't make eye contact with me. तो पृथ्वीराज चौहान कहा कि राजपूत can never bend their eyes. He closed his eyes only at the time of death. कोई बात नहीं. So his eyes were, I said, that made blinded by the raw red hot iron, and then he was every day brought into the, I said, court, and in front of the courtiers he was, I said, that humiliated. And Chandrabardai, one day he got a chance, I said that archery practice was, competition is going to be happen. He said that he knows, sir, archery. Bola, acha, isko lekar aao. And then the real plot took place. He was very good without sing to. Then he has talked about, I said that is some kind of, I said that कुछ उन्होंने गाकर मेजरमेंट बताया कि यहाँ पर इतने बैठे हैं, what सुल्तान, अब ना करो, 4 बंस 8 अंगुल, कुछ ऐसा था. चलिए. And then he killed. उसके बाद उसने बोला yes. Who? I said मोहम्मद गौरी. उसकी आवाज सुन ली और साथ में डिस्टेंस मेजरमेंट हो गया. And then he killed and directly come here. This is the way he killed Muhammad Gauri. So I said that one, you have understood the one literature written by Chandrabardai. What is the literature? Prithviraj Rasho. Can you remember? And Muhammad Gauri, after that he has left his slave, Turkish slaves. Whose slaves? Turkish. And then first one I said that it was Qutbuddin Aibak. Who I said? So after the battle of Tarain, also उसके 1194 में he also killed his father-in-law also. 1194 में battle of Chandauri में जयचंद was also killed by Muhammad Gauri. And thereafter he has taken. यदि वो जयचंद को नहीं kill करेगा, how he can rule? So he killed Jayachand in the 11, which one I said that? 1194 battle of Chandauri. Or Jayachand. Who is Jayachand? Ruler of Gahadwalas. Gadwal बोलते हैं, Gahadwalas. And thereafter he entered into this region, and this is the formation of till Bihar and all. This all are, yes, taken over. And this time I said that when he is attacked, Buddhism finished from the Bihar. Buddhism. So Delhi Sultanate started from, I said that Delhi Sultanate started from, I said that 1206, and it is started by the slaves of Gauri. Slaves of Gauri. Therefore it is also known as what? Slave dynasty. It is also known as what? Slave dynasty. So this picture is clear. He came for rule, but he died in the young. He did not come for rule in the 10th century AD. No interest in ruling in India, only. ये बहुत ही काया इंसान था, करोड़ों रुपए होंगे, लेकिन he has not given any penny of money to his authors who has written some books for him. He has promised that I will give you, but he did not give any penny to him. This is the name is Firdausi, who wrote about his achievements, Shahnama. उसको कुछ भी नहीं दिया उसने. Firdausi. Understood it? और पहले के authors बहुत सारे पैसे मांगते थे. You have to talk about, you have to write about achievements, yes or not? So, और ये लाइन है 4 बंस 24 गज अंगुल अष्ट प्रमाण इत्ते पर है सुल्तान अब मत चुको है सुल्तान. This is the line, it was said by Chandrabardai. and then it has gone directly into the throat of this, and he given the impact to the slabs. He given the impact to the, manumitted the impact to the slab. Therefore, there is a coming of which I said that Delhi Sultanate, and then the Caliphate, the Islamic Caliphate has approved that this is Sultan. Thereafter, anybody can become what? Sultan. So, Delhi Sultanate started from 1206 until 1526. Delhi Sultanate. Understood? Which I said 1206 to 1526, which one? Delhi Sultanate. And then first one I said that it is Slav dynasty, and that is I said that 1206 to 1290. मेरे साथ बोलेंगे 6, 90, 30. Can you remember these words? 6. और जब भी आप दोबारा रिवाइज करें ना, the same way you have to try to revise. 6, 90, 30. Can you remember these numbers? Which are the number I said? 6, 90, 30. Or better to remember 20. 6, 90, 20. 6, 90, 20. Understood it? Thereafter I said that 13, 51, 26. 13, 51, 26. What are the name I said? 13, 51, 26. What are the number I said first? 6, 90, 20. 6, 90, 20. What are the number I said that? 6, 90, 20. Then 13, 51, 26. 13, 51, 26. And the side box, in the box, side box में आप इसको 4 times लिख लें these numbers. दोबारा मैं बोल रहा हूँ, thereafter 6, 90, 20. Thereafter I said that 13, 51, 26. 6, 90, 20. 13, 51, 26. And 4 times you write these numbers at the side box. These numbers are not going to be asked, but it will help you a lot in your, I said that, conceptual clarity. Six, 13, 51, 26. 6, 90, 20. Then I said 13, 51, 26. याद हो गया 4 times? 6, 90, 20. So I said that Slav dynasty is what I said that from the 1206 to 1290. Is it okay? And thereafter coming of I said that Khilji dynasty, and that is from 1290 to 1320. And this is the time you can say that most powerful economically strong architectural development. Architectural, the most powerful. So Delhi Sultanate is only most powerful, happened only during which? Khilji dynasty. Understood? Most powerful. And what is the period I have said? 6, 19, 20, you remember? So 1206 to 1290. Slav dynasty, and then Khilji dynasty 1290 to 1320. Can you remember in your mind? Yes or not? Thereafter I said You know that आपके यहाँ जब कोई काम करने के लिए आता है, when somebody comes to work at your home, तो उनके हाथ में ज़्यादा कुछ होता है या खाली हाथ आते हैं, कुछ थोड़ा सा बैग में रहता है कुछ? तो slab comes खाली हाथ, slab comes, लेकिन we are, I said that, trying to make them to what I said that to give better condition. Yes or no? कभी कभी अच्छे लोग होते हैं तो they try to give better condition, अच्छा अच्छा रूम दे दो, ये दे दो. You try to provide some better facilities. One day you left home for 3 days and you come back within the 2 days and you saw that they are doing party in your house. Yes or not? It happens. Yes. तो slab खाली हाथ है और आप बोलोगे why you are doing like this, and that time they will not feel, I said that sometime he has done some kind of mistake. Instead they started doing, I said that, तुम तड़ाक. क्या करेंगे? तू तड़ाक. क्या बोलेंगे? Miss, I said that they come on to the different kind of language which is not supposed to be correct. तू तड़ाक. क्या करने लगे? तू तड़ाक. तुगलक. What I said that? Who came? तो slab, how do they came to India? खाली हाथ. And then what they started doing? तुगलक. And that is, I said that 1320 to 1413. याद है आपको? 1351 26. 1351 26. 1351. Yes. Is it okay? And then this is the downfall of Delhi Sultanate. Regional power grown. Regional architecture and art and culture grown. जब कोई पावर कमजोर होगा, when the some power started, I said that who is ruling over whole India till Pandyas of Madurai. Khilji was ruling till Pandyas of Madurai. Understood? और उस तुगलक ने क्या कर दिया? Compressed him, contract him to Delhi, nearby few region. And then all regional power has, what I said, that become independent. And then he will be able to patronize the artisans. जब उसके पास पैसे नहीं है तो how can he patronize? He cannot patronize. Therefore I said that all the artisans shifted to the regional regions, and therefore the regional regions become power, and architecture and art and culture grow in the different parts. और इसी समय, इसी के बाद आफ्टर दैट तुगलक, याद है 1206, अभी क्या दिख रहा है? 13 to 1413. कल आपने देखा था, मैंने बोला था, दैट इज आई सेड दैट विजयनगर एम्पायर, बामनी किंगडम, और इनकी पीरियड कब से तक थी? 1350 to 1650. सो इन दिस पीरियड 1350 में दे बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट, बिकॉज द तुगलक वाज, आई सेड दैट दे हैव एवरीथिंग डिवास्टेटेड, एवरीथिंग, due to the 5 mistakes of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. And then the regional power that you can say in the south, I said that Vijayanagar Empire, Bahmani Kingdom, Vijayanagar Empire, and smaller power of, what I said, that Madurai again coming out, Pandyas of Madurai. Understood it? 1200 AD में भी आपने देखा था, and after that again. Is it okay? And then Bengal, Malwa, Jaunpur, Gujarat, Kashmir, different kind of smaller kingdoms started coming into existence due to the fall of, yes or no, Delhi Sultanate. During which period? Tughlaq dynasty. Is it okay? Another point I said that इसका मतलब है art and culture also development has stopped. तो यहाँ पर क्या? They will utilize good quality. They will utilize good quality stones or bad quality stones. अब मैं आपको बता दूं कि रेड सैंडस्टोन इज हाई क्वालिटी एंड ग्रे स्टोन इज व्हाट? लो क्वालिटी. तो इसका मतलब यही सब चीजें लिखी रहेंगी, एंड वी हैव टू करेक्ट विच वन. एंड द लास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन इट हैज कम दैट इट इज रिलेटेड टू द अकबर. तो व्हेन यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द लास्ट ईयर्स क्वेश्चन, दिस ईयर क्वेश्चन, देन यू कैन बी एबल टू सॉल्व. Understood it? तो each and everything को केवल conceptually and story wise try to understand. I said तुगलक के बाद आगे तो स्लैब कैसे आए थे? टेल मी. खाली हाथ. And what they started doing? टू तलाक. And लेकिन they are very smart. They are coming Turkish, tall, handsome, fair. और हमारी इंडिया की लड़कियां फंस गई और उसने क्या कर लिया? शादी. Yes, what they have done? शादी. And that I said that 1413 to 1451. 1413 to 1451. 1413 to 51. Can you remember? 1413 to 14. Who? Sayyid Dynasty. Slab खाली हाथ है. That they have done what? टू तलाक. And but they पटा लिए किसको? और शादी किया. और शादी के बाद तुम पैसे, मनी, वो सब they will get. And सारा माल लोड करके ले गए. लोड करके लेके ही जा रहे थे यार. Yes or not? तो लोड करके ले गए तो लोडी. And 1451 to what I said that? 1526. Understood? And यहीं पर आपका क्या हुआ था? First of what happened? Tell me. Panipat. First battle of in 1526 between I said that Babur and the last ruler of Lodi is Ibrahim Lodi. इसको इनवाइट किया गया था. यू नो दैट इंडिया से इनवाइटेड. ही वॉज इनवाइटेड टू कम हियर. द अंकल ऑफ इब्राहिम लोधी, राणा संग्राम, everyone invited, come and finish Ibrahim Lodi. Understood? And the first time, you know, the gunpowder has been utilized in this war. Several methods you'll see in the future. Lodi, understood it? First battle of Panipat, and after that Mughal Empire come into existence. Is it okay? So which are we have seen? Yes, tell me. Slav, खिलजी. फिल करना है आपको. फिल करके पढ़ोगे तो फिर आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग विजुअलाइजेशन होगा व्हेन यू विल डू द फर्दर आर्ट एंड कल्चर और एनी काइंड ऑफ कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट. तो विच आर आई सेड दैट स्लैव, खिलजी, स्लैव, खिलजी, तुमतड़ाक, तुगलक, and Sayyid, Sadi and Lodi. Can you remember? And then Slav dynasty is coming for large period. Khilji small period. Tughlaq large period. Sayyid small period. Lodi large period. This is the alternate, the two small period in between. So Slav dynasty 1206 to 1290. Khilji dynasty 1290 to 1320. Tughlaq small period 1320 to 1413. Large period, this is small. Sayyid 1413 to what I said that? 1451 is small period. And the Lodi 1451 to 1526. Is it okay? Can you remember? What are the number I said? 6, 90, 20, 13, 51, 26. याद रहेगा स्लैव डायनेस्टी? Yes. You know that there the two styles are there. When this Delhi Sultanate came, there are the two styles. It is, we have one style is I like, this is your pillars. And by putting this one, यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या रखते हैं? We are putting some. This is known as what? Lentil. This is what I said that beam, and beam above we are putting what I said that?